all, thank you everyone for thank you everyone for inviting us here. Yung experience po namin sa Riyadh is sobrang thankful po kami sobrang thankful po kami doon kasi bagong experience po yung nangyari sa amin doon, and may namit po kaming iba't ibang pro player, hindi lang po sa game namin kundi pati na po sa ibang game, and may mga na-experience din po kami na hindi po namin na-experience, which is grateful po kami kasi nabigyan po kami ng opportunity na makapunta doon, and yun po parang unexpected po lahat ng nangyari sa amin. Parang panaginip lang po kasi ang haba ng panahon na prepare namin to, and yun, nagbunga po lahat ng pagod namin.
Yes, of course. Meron ba kayo dyan? Is it like, were you able to get to know other countries or other players? May mga besties na kayo or something?
Yeah, may namit po kaming iba't ibang female pro player, and yun po parang maganda po yung getting to know po namin kasi nag-swap jersey po kami, nag-uusap po kami, and kahit before match po parang nag-uusap po kami doon, tapos tanong-tanong po yun.
So do you keep in touch until now? Sorry, magkakarinig na lang. So, yeah. Yes, please go ahead.
Sa experience po nila, sa pro players po sila medyo interact talaga. However, my part po, mostly po, yung mga nakausap ko talaga is yung player care and care management. Yung mga taong nag-organize ng event. Sila po, and ibang casters po, I don't know, maybe like 5 to 6 people po talaga yung naka-interact ko. For example, yung player care namin na nagsasend ng schedule namin, nakausap ko po na about yung background niya, tapos nakapag-exchange din po ako ng social media, and yung ibang posters po ng Bena, nakalaro ko po ng ibang laro. Like, naglaro ko talaga kami na competitive way.
Wow.
And then, ayun po, yung iba din dun na kasi nakakachika ko talaga po. Doon po yung mas marami akong nakuha sa kanila.
Yes, that's nice to hear. Parang sila mga diplomats natin, They can very well represent the Philippines. Anyone else would like to share? Just the experience. How about the MVP? How about this MVP?
Yes.
Gusto ko yung Riyadh, maganda po doon. Tapos, yung experience ko lang po sa mga nakilala ko is yung nakalaban lang po namin sa finals, which is Vitality. Nakipag-friends po ako. Which is last tournament namin is hindi ko nagawa. Parang nakipag-usap na ako.
Parang may something changed this time compared to last year. That's nice to hear. How about your ladies? Would you like to share something?
Maganda po yung experience namin sa Riyadh. Yung mga tao po doon sobrang parang hands-on sa amin, tapos ang babait. Tapos may mga may madaming mga Pinoy, kaya madami din kaming parang nakakausap na Pinoy like sa namin sa restaurant and sa mga player care. Tapos may mga nakilala akong friends sa mga kalaban namin. Same lang sa kanila, like nakipag-swap kami ng jerseys.
Nice. Baka yung jersey nyo, hindi ka nakakilala.
For me naman po, nasabi na po nila lahat yung about sa player care na parang yung pagpunta namin dun, like wala talagang problema na naganap. Tapos sobrang friendly din ng mga tao, especially yung sa mga mga puro Pinoy. Tapos yung sa akin lang din, di ako like ma-pride sa ibang players na dapat ako yung na-approach ganun. Parang ako yung nag-a-approach na makikipag-swap, ako yung nakikipag-contact talaga kasi gusto ko magkaroon din ng friends sa ibang bansa, ibang team.
Yes, so very lovely to hear all of those. Parang it's nice that you're well taken care of from the back end to the front end. And you learnings this time around? Parang ano yung meron kayong realization or something na talagang pinaghawakan mo all the way to the finals?
Siguro po yung natutunan ko is never give up po talaga kasi long run po yung ginawa namin for how many years? I think 3 to 4 years kami magkasama and nakailang international tournaments na po kami hanggang siguro second place, ganun. Parang mas masakit po yun kasi we're aiming for champion tas nag second place lang, ganun. Tas hanggang ngayon po na nag world champ na po, parang nasabi ko na possible po talaga lahat kasi with the help of my teammates, coaches, and management po, parang andun po yung suporta nila. So, parang possible po talaga. Kaya, mas pagsikapan po namin na mag-world champ or mag-international champion po.
Thank you for that. So you open the floor to move to this side of the table. Yeah, baka i-ask naman natin sila, Coach, kung meron kayong sharing for this round. Or may nag-change ba sa strategy nyo? Or
Yung sa akin siguro, yung parang naging advantage namin is yun nga, sobrang ganda nung na-build na disiplina tsaka yung relationship ng players namin. So, nung dumating yung playoffs namin, talagang nag-matter siya kasi talagang ang sarap sa tenga kasi narinig namin yung comms nila while ongoing yung game. Ang sarap lang sa tenga namin kasi narinig namin, talagang nire-remind nila yung isa't isa kung pag may isang naliligaw na na-hype or na-over yung shot call, may nagre-remind sa kanila isa't isa. Tapos, kada after game, kahit na nanalo kami, nakakapag-reset sila. Kung baga, di sila masyadong hype na parang lagi nilang tinitreat yung every after game na laging game 1 agad. So, yun nga, nag-matter yung pinakamagandang review namin is yung magandang habits, which is yung pag nag-i-screen kami. Thank you to discipline.
that's very nice ha, yung laging game 1.
Pwede po po para sa akin din po, siguro yung pinakabigis na nagbago sa akin po is yung pag-pray araw-araw. Yung in everything you do, God must be the center po. Kasi ito yung nagbago din sa amin kasi last time, pag may lang kami, may tournament lang kami nag-pray. Pero ngayon, kahit naka-screen lang din kami, kahit nagpa-practice lang din kami, nag-pray talaga kami. Morning and pag-end ng practice po namin, nag-pray po kami.
That's a nice insight as well.
Yeah, siguro ako, observation ko lang sa team, it's really building habits of success. No? Starting from the moment they wake up, yung pagiging on time sa breakfast, sa lunch, pinag-usapan namin lahat yun. Yung pagdating sa practice room, wala nang keme-keme, practice na agad, and then pagdating sa venue, diretso agad, focus agad, no more focus. Kasi sobrang ganda ng event guys, as in from the organizers to the logistics. Minsan nga kami pa yung nalilate sa transpo kasi nakahanda na, no? Tapos pagdating sa venue, ang ganda kasi ng player lounges, if you can see, ang daming PS5 na nakalatag lang dyan, you can play, there's a coffee shop, may coffee bar, everything's free, chocolates and fruits overflowing. Pero ang instill din namin as management sa kanila pagdating ng game day is focus. Talaga, kailangan medyo mambo mentality. You're not too high, you're not too low, nasa balance ka lang. Which is, admittedly, the first 2 days namin, medyo rocky start. Kasi natalo kami sa game 1s namin, first mga game 1s namin. Pero as time went along, nakita namin, we should have a process. We should have, parang, yun nga, that may schedule tayo. Kaya when we came to the finals day, yung semis and finals, sobrang nagugal kami na sobrang kalmado sila during the games. As in, ang layo ng comms nila from day 1 to day 4. So, kahit ako nagulat kasi tinanong ko sila, saan kayo pinakanahirapan na laro? And eventually, as time went along, mas parang naging confidence nila. So, I think yun yung underrated na bagay in terms of being a support group and management na minsan kailangan talaga ng players yun na may nag-remind sa kanila. Kasi at the end of the day, ang gusto namin itindihin na lang nila yung the game itself. Maglalaro na lang sila. Para pagdating sa lahat ng bagay, whether it be the uniform, the meetings, the media, saan namin alam yun, tapos schedule na lang. So, that's a very big learning for us that the support and the management really has a key role in the success of the team. But at the end of the day, you have to give your hats off to these girls kasi it's been a 4-year journey. They've been down for so many times from the SEA Games last year. Tapos even the audience prediction during the tournament, no, 88% versus 12%. No, 88% kay team vitality. So, sobrang nakaka-proud that they defied the odds. No? And they did it as Filipinas.
Yes,
So,
yes, so yes. Again. Ayan, is there anything you want to share?
Ano lang to? Sabihin ko lang ako yung secret weapon ng team. Kasi actually, I am also the 6th man of the team during the MWI. But I just want to share na sobrang proud ko lang sa girls kasi aside from we are the first Filipino to get the championship during the Esports World Cup, kumbaga from the moment na dumating kami ng Riyadh hanggang makauwi kami ngayon, humility is still there. Kumbaga, lagi namin sinasabi sa kanila, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-celebrate hanggat hindi tayo nagiging champion. And most of the people there kasi, hindi rin talaga in-expect na kami yung magiging champion. And yesterday, we had lunch with one of the prince. Even siya, hindi siya makapaniwala. So sabi, wow, you made a history, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi kumbaga, yung win streak nung kalaban namin is 24 tournaments eh. So kami yung naka-break nung win streak nila. And kumbaga, kahit kami nung sa championship na, hindi na namin in-expect na kami yung magta-champion kasi parang lahat ng tao sa paligid namin doon in-expect na yung kalaban namin yung mananalo. And hopefully, kahit na naging world champion na yung mga girls, maging humble pa rin sila. So, mukha naman ganun pa din. So, ano lang, wala akong naririnig na any yabang sa kanila. Kumbaga, before and after the tournament, empress pa rin sila. So,
Correct, yes. So you mentioned it ni Froy na Mamba mentality ngayon, Empress mentality na yung tawag natin. Ayan. So, really.
sabi nga nung host din yung why you wanna be a queen when you can be an empress?
Oh, I love that! Yes! And you want to embody that.